Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Welcome to the first Amazon finds and favorites of 2022. One of many, because y'all know me and my Amazon obsession. But y'all, I haven't done one of these since like early November. So boy oh boy, do I have so many things to share with y'all. Like all my Black Friday purchases, just random things I've gotten. I have so many good things I've been dying to share with y'all, so I cannot wait to get into it. I also gave my Amazon shop a much needed facelift, organized things, just made it all like nice and clean for the new year, you know, the things that excite me. So if you haven't checked out my Amazon shop recently, definitely do so, and I'll have everything linked down below, including my Instagram, where you should definitely follow me. I've been having fun making some reels and short form Amazon finds over there, so let me know if you like those. Yeah, that's everything I have to say. I hope you guys are having a great 2022. Yeah, girl kind of forgot how to talk, how to film, how to do everything, so this video should be fun. Not crazy at all. Let's get into it. This is one of my favorite finds. So I was struggling to find a way to organize my Ziploc bags in like an aesthetically pleasing way that was also like convenient, because I don't want it to look cute and like make it hard for us to like find things. And all the ones that I could find that were meant for organizing Ziplocs were like this. And it's not my aesthetic, but this one is. It's just an acrylic organizer. The labels are nice and small, and this one just a snack or sandwich, and then this is the gallon. I love how it looks. We just have it in a drawer. It's so easy to pull one out, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing. If you've been washing your hands as much as you should, your hands are probably dry as heck. We have a baby, and ever since she was born, our hands have been so incredibly raw and dry from just over washing it every time we change her diaper, need to give her a bottle, you know. Like, I digress, that was a tangent. The point is, my hands have been going through it, and I've tried so many hand creams, and I tried switching out our soap. So I got these back in November, and y'all, they are a game changer. So they are moisturizing gloves, and they have this jelly lining on the inside, and they smell like essential oils and some sort of like lotion. I don't know. I've been putting them on at night, and they have the little touch things on the tips of the fingers, so you can like still go on your phone. And y'all, I swear to God, my hands are not crusty anymore. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all this up close. Basically, this is a magnetic necklace clasp, and it comes with 3 of these or 2 of them. I got the 3-1 clasp, and then you just attach your necklaces, and it's a magnetic closure. So not only does it make it pretty easy for you if you're by yourself to put on necklaces, but also they don't tangle as easily with each other. So I'm still trying it out. I did get it pretty recently. This is the dupe, because there is a way more expensive one on Amazon. This one is less than 20. But yeah, so far so good, because I love wearing like 3 or 2 necklaces, and they're usually always tangled like 2 hours in. Pretty easy to put necklaces on, especially for people who like struggle with opening things or have like the long nails like I do. This is a game changer. I talked about these shoes recently in a haul, and I just had to share. I feel like they are the like most trendy heel at the moment. Everyone is talking about them, everyone is wearing them. But if you're wondering if these are worth the hype, I think they are. They are absolutely stunning shoes. If you're a bride, these would look gorgeous for like bridal festivities. I don't know how comfortable they would be on your wedding day, but for like a bachelorette party, a little bridal shower, engagement pictures, just look at the detailing. They're so shiny and pretty. They come in different colors. I did get a size 37 when I should have gotten a 38, and they got here super fast, way faster than they predicted. I love that they wrap at the ankle. They're just stunning. So I will share with y'all the other ones. I got them in black, so I'm super excited. These I'm gifting to my mother. I always make this joke that my mirrors are always dirty, and that it's just like one of my personality traits, and it really bothers me, especially when I take clips, pictures, anything in the mirror. No matter what I do, no matter what sprays I get, nothing. My mirrors are always looking streaky. They always look like patchy when I clean them. Then one day I got fed up, and I went on Amazon, and I was like, mirror cleaning products. Mostly I was looking for cloths, and I found this. These are called the Ecloth. Their whole thing is that this is supposed to be eco-friendly. So you just wet these, clean your mirror, and y'all, it is the most insane thing I've ever seen. I was like, oh my god, my mirror has never looked worse. It looks terrible. And then as you keep going and as it dries, it's a brand new, clean as a whistle mirror. It's the most insane thing ever. So this one comes in a 4-pack, and like I said, it's a glass and polishing cloth, so you can use it for other things, and all you're supposed to do is add water. I will say, don't like soak it in water. I'm sure there's like some sort of instructions. I just played it by ear. I cannot recommend this enough. It's amazing, so worth every penny. I am loving like a minimal, aesthetically pleasing bathroom shower situation, and while I refuse to be a minimalist, mostly because I like too many products, I love the idea of having these kind of bottles replace the ones that they come in. Yes, it's unnecessary. Yes, it's a waste of money. Some might say, my husband. But I love how it looks. So I found these off Amazon. I will say the only thing is that these are actually plastic, which might be better for some people. It comes with a 3-pack, and it comes with a bunch of different labels. So I love how the labels look like the expensive brand. I want to say it's pronounced Aosoap. I don't know. I know you know what I'm talking about though. So Amazon sent over a few products by Cortan x Reebok. I guess I did a collab, and I kid you not, I am actually obsessed with this sports bra. Mostly because of the color combination, color block situation. It is the most flattering sports bra I've ever worn, with high-waisted black leggings, and it's actually super supportive. I've been wearing it to spin, so I really like it. I think it's worth every penny, and it's also not super expensive. I have a ton of sports bras, and I keep coming back to this one. Like when it's dirty, it makes me want to do laundry because I want it. So I got a size medium in this one, I'm pretty sure. I do wish I would have gone a size down. I feel like this brand runs a little big, so size down, because I got the running shorts in a medium and I had to give them to my aunt because they were too big. And then I got this anorak rain jacket that is navy, and y'all, my problem with like anoraks in general is that I live in Houston, so usually when it rains for the majority of the year, it's super humid and hot. This was my exact same problem living in Louisiana. Like, it was so hot, and then our sorority like anorak was lined, so it made it even hotter and more humid, and it was terrible. So this one is not lined. It's super lightweight, very thin, but it's still, you know, waterproof or whatever, so it protects you against the rain. It has a super deep zipper, which is also great, and a pocket in the front. It's just very airy. Would be perfect for working out in the rain. It has the hood, and it's adjustable. I'm just super impressed with this one specifically because it's something I've been really needing, but something that I could never find. So I'll link those down below. Not sponsored, it was just sent to me. I got another mosquito indoor catcher light thing. At this point I should know the name because I literally have 3 of the other ones, the ones that look like a little Dyson thing, and then I have one of these because it's white, and I needed something to like blend in better with our front door entryway situation. Just girly things. Anyway, I really like these mosquito catchers. We have dogs, so we're constantly opening the back door, so we have one there. We were getting bitten in the middle of the night by mosquitoes, so we have one in our bedroom, and then this one is in our front door. It was there for about, I want to say a little under 2 weeks, and this is how many it caught, so a good amount. The only thing that I don't love about this one is that I cannot use the same sticky traps as the other one, just because that would have been convenient, but I love that it comes in white. Then for the kitchen, I had these black knives from Amazon that were pretty nice. Maybe not the best quality knives in the world. I think the set was about $36, so pretty affordable. I decided to give them to my brother because he needed some for his apartment, and this was just a perfect time for me to, you know, get the knives that I actually want. So these are ones I ended up getting, and can you see why I got them? Because they're white. No, I actually got them because the reviews were amazing. They come in 3 different colors. Y'all, they're so much sharper. I know they're brand new, but they're like so much sharper than any knives that we've gotten for the past 2-3 years that we've lived together. So I'm pretty impressed. I also love the selection. It doesn't come with like a million bread knives, which in my opinion they're just not my favorite. The serrated ones, it comes with a ton of these scissors, which is always good. Not super pricey for good knives, and like I said, the reviews were amazing. So I will let you guys know in a video after like we use it quite a bit, but we got them probably last week. So for our dining room table, I wanted to do like a tablescape, make it all cute and holiday when we were hosting Christmas, and I needed some candlesticks, and I found out that one of them can be like $20 or more, which is insane. So Amazon has 3 packs for 19 to like 25 depending on the color that you get, and they have all matte black, they have all gold, but I ended up getting this one and I really like it. So the little tip is gold, but the rest is matte black. They're nice and like kind of heavy, not super heavy, but I really like that you can take them apart really easily for storage purposes. So they come disassembled and you just like twist them all together. They come in 3 different lengths, and I think they're pretty freaking cute. For the price, it's really a steal, and they look beautiful. I've been seeing them all over Pinterest and TikTok in like interior design pages, and I think they look really, really nice, especially for the price. Something else I talked about recently in a video was this Lululemon dupe. So I know I do the H-Gate videos, and I know a lot of you might not love like a replica, but this is like an actual dupe. $13. It is the exact same dimensions as the Lulu one, so exact same size. It has an adjustable belt because it's supposed to be a belt bag. Every single person, especially on TikTok, swears by these, and while they're not super expensive, the real ones, I think they're $38. This one is $13, and I do not need to overpay just for the Lululemon logo, you know what I mean? So it has all of these different compartments. A lot of people use them for like walking their dogs, grabbing coffee, going on runs or walks. I love the color selection, so I don't know if this one is available as we speak, but they have a black one, they have brown, they have a blue, and an orange. Hopefully they'll come out with more, and the back also has a zipper. So I wanted to share just to have it in an Amazon Finds and Favorites, but I think it's such a steal for what it is, and you can get the look for so much less. So I definitely talked about this in a vlog, but we got a new light fixture for our dining room, and it was less than $60 off Amazon. It comes with different numbers of light bulbs. I believe we got the 8 light bulb one, and y'all, it was pretty easy to install. It looks so cool and modern. Light fixtures can be super expensive, so I'm pretty impressed with the quality, and it looks pretty cool. But we do have to change the light bulbs that we have. We have pretty bright ones right now, and this looks like a straight up stadium. And it does come in different colors. I think there's the black, the gold, a brass one, and this was the least expensive one of this type that I could find. And like I said, it works really well. It's pretty good quality. Then I also got this book from Amazon. The price goes up and down, which is weird, but I got mine used because there was like a little dent in the corner. I don't know if y'all can see. So I got it for $17, which is such a steal. I really like this artist slash photographer, Gray Malin. He makes like beautiful, very modern and cool posters or prints. His photography is just beautiful, and he has a bunch of really beautiful tropical beachy photography, and it looks great in a coffee table, honestly anywhere, but I just have it on my little office shelf. I'm on a mission to turn my kitchen into like a white, aesthetically pleasing type situation, and because we cannot remodel it right now, the only way I've been doing that is by replacing all of our appliances and like little things with white stuff. I got this one on Black Friday. It was like 50% off, which is the most discounted I've ever seen it. I like that the handles and the detailing is still kind of like stainless steel silver, so it matches like our fridge, for example, and it works really well. My thing with milk frothers is that it has to have a cold foam feature, and this one has both. I will say I do like my black one better, sadly, because it beeped when it was ready. This one doesn't. That one had 3 different like hot features, and this one I believe only has 2, steam and frost. So not too bad. I love the handle on this one. The other one didn't have a handle, and I like that it has like a little peak right here for pouring purposes. I really like it. I just like wish like a few things were different, but so beautiful. It works really well, and like I said, I love the look of it and the handle. So guys, that's everything for today's video, but I kid you not, I probably have like at least 2 more of these videos to do because I have so many things, and I never want these videos to be like super long because as you know, I go on tangents. So I'll go ahead and film one very soon, but if you enjoyed these, please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, check out my Amazon shop if you haven't already. I'm trying to update them and make them more specific. So if you're looking for, or if you want me to do, I should say, a specific Amazon shop tab, let me know in the comments what you want me to do, and I would love to do that. I have so much fun doing that in the middle of the night when I should be sleeping. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I miss y'all, but I should be back to posting 2 to 3 times a week if my daughter lets me. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for 56,000. I said that in my last video, but I still cannot believe it. And thank you guys for all the love and support throughout the holidays, through my gift guides, for all the new people that subscribe. I'm just really thankful for y'all. So stay tuned for way more Amazon things, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.